Welcome to Gear Talk, Talking Gear. My name is Jason, and we are going to be unboxing and viewing the new MXA902 from Shure. I am really excited about this. This is my first time taking a look at the 902. Let's open this up. All right, there is not much in this box. We have the user manual, a couple zip ties for when you are running your single cat cable to this device. Let's take a look. All right. You'll see here that this looks identical to the MXA920 from the outside. From the grill side, we have a 2 foot by 2 foot, or in other parts of the world, a 60 centimeter by 60 centimeter. You'll see the Shure logo with an LED bar here. That will give you feedback when you're in your Zoom or Teams, which this will come Teams certified and Zoom certified when paired with a Shure Annie USB. Let's take a look. The big difference between this 902 and the 920 is going to be what we see on the back side, which is going to be this thing right here. The big thing about this is going to be that it has a speaker integrated into it. So this really is your all-in-one conferencing solution. Hook up a camera to a computer and you're good to go. This is designed for a room about 20 feet by 20 feet. And you're only able to put one of these per room. This is perfect for classrooms, conference rooms, any sort of small to medium meeting space that you might have. We are really excited about this. So in our next video, we're going to show you how to unbox and set up a 902. Feel free to reach out to your Shure dealer or regional representative to get a Shure demo or pricing, and make sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for our next videos. Thanks for joining us. Bye.